Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Silvercrest electric grater for easy shredding, slicing and grating. 150 watts with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have in the manual. If you want to read this, your choice. But stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Risk of injury. Attention. So many accessories. Here we have the pusher. It goes inside here at the feet tube, and that area it locks at the main unit. And it locks. Lock and lock icons here. So easy. The on-off button. Some informations, what drums you can use for each foot. And here we have at the back the storage container. It slides here and it locks. Beautiful. 2 suction cups, 2 silicone pads. It will stay very secure at your countertop. And the cable length, it is 1 meter. Drums, 5 cutting drums, starting with a fine slicing drum, and you can use it on cucumbers, potatoes, bell pepper, beetroot, onions, apples, cabbage red or white, carrots, Swiss hard cheese and more. Next is the fine rasping drum, and you can use it on courgettes, chocolate, coconut, carrots, Swiss hard cheese. Next is the coarse rasping drum for potatoes, bell pepper, chocolate, carrots, Swiss hard cheese. Coarse slicing drum, and you can use it for cucumbers, potatoes, bell pepper, beetroot, onions, apples, cabbage red or white, carrots, Swiss hard cheese, courgettes and more. And the last, grating drum. You can use it for chocolate, coconut, almonds and hazelnuts, dry bread, parmesan and more. Nice. So many. Definitely I will try to use them all. So that goes inside. Just press and it locks. Locks that here. The pusher, and of course we have the lid for the storage container. A beautiful unit. And whenever you want, just be careful, pull, don't cut yourself, press and insert the other one. So let's move on for testing. I will start with the potato. Nice. Thick slices. I just love it. Just pull with your two hands, remove and clean it. Next we have the onions. Slicing very well. Same again with carrots. Just love it. Eat healthy. Apples. Why not? Small or big slices. Cabbage. Like it. Now let's change that. Fine rasping drum. And I will use that with chocolate. Oh, sorry about that. It didn't lock very well. Nice! Despite that was pulled out with force, we have a good result. Let's clean that. Next is the coarse rasping drum. And I will use that with chocolate again. Very easy to lock and unlock. And here we can see the differences. Thicker and thinner. And next I have the coarse slicing drum. And I will use that with carrot. Nice, just love it. And with a potato. I think with carrot is better. And let's try that with apple. Wow. You can do that. Moving on at the next. Next it is the grating drum. With chocolate. What I like most is the simple operation, the interchangeable attachments, and how much time it can save when preparing salads, pasta toppings, vegetables and more. If you are someone who loves making fresh salads, homemade coleslaw, or giant patches of potato pancakes, but you absolutely hate the tedious knuckle-scraping chore of using a manual box grater, this machine is an absolute game changer. It gives you the rapid chopping power of a massive food processor without taking up all your precious countertop space. For the price point only 23 euros, the speed and sheer convenience it brings to your daily cooking routine make it a total steal. If this video helped you decide whether this electric grater is right for your kitchen, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews, cooking gadgets and practical home product tests. Thanks for watching, enjoy your cooking, save time in the kitchen and I'll see you in the next one.